Hi everyone, this is Chris G from TVLesson.com, and I'm here to show you how to drive safely in the rain. So you're at home watching TV, and you just remember you need to get to your friend's house on the other side of town, but it's raining outside. Before driving, gauge how heavy the rain is. Drive only what you feel comfortable driving in, and if it's safe. First, before taking off on the road, ensure your car is ready. Check that the wipers are working properly and that the blades are in good shape. Also, make sure your headlights are working as well. Once you're on the road, stay on a lower wiper speed setting. This will help you adjust to the rain on your windshield and also help make you more alert while on the road. Being alert while driving is important, but even more important while it's raining. Stay within reason for how slow you set your wipers. Keep in mind that the movement of the car will also help keep water from staying on your windshield before your wipers take it off. Drive slower in the rain, even on city streets. This one practice alone will ensure your safety on the road. Wet roads will release trapped oils, making it easier to hydroplane or for your tires to lose traction. 5 to 10 miles per hour reduction is generally a safe estimate, but this will vary from car to car. On highways, be even more cautious as the risk of hydroplaning is even greater. Stay towards the inside lanes and avoid the outer lanes. Puddles may build on the outer lanes, which increases the chance of hydroplaning. Never go above 60 miles per hour, even if it's just stopped raining. Wet roads still pose a dangerous threat. In addition to these practices, you should also leave more distance between you and the car in front of you. Your braking power will receive a reduction due to the wet roads and trapped oils being released. Any sudden braking may cause your car to slide a little before it completely stops. This also acts as a great stress relief. Thank other drivers for this as well. Slowing down in the rain will affect the time it takes to get to your destination. Be sure to allow 5 to 15 minutes extra depending on your destination's distance. Traffic and roadblocks may cause delays in how long it takes for your drive. Though it is impossible to guarantee safety in rain, if you follow these simple practices, you will have a greater ability to arrive safely at your destination. Thanks for watching, and drive safe everyone. Be careful out there no matter what weather you're in.